All right, so we're going to go through the menu options. You'll notice pretty early on that the menu options and just the ability to find the settings that you're looking for is going to be a lot easier with the TDR350 than it ever was with the TDR300. Our improved display and increased size of the display makes that possible. So with the backlight, we have the option of turning it off, putting on auto, or having it on continuously. Backlight in auto mode is going to display the light long enough for you to see what that last reading was. GPS is the next option on the menu. Just like with your cell phone, using GPS is definitely going to influence battery life. That's all just about the communication with satellites and trying to keep everything continuously connected so that we get good location. So similar to GPS, Bluetooth is enable and disable. Bluetooth obviously is what gives us our connection to the Field Scout mobile app, and then by virtue of the Field Scout mobile app, if we have a Spec Connect account, that's what automatically uploads the data to Spec Connect for further analysis. Temperature units, we have the option obviously to cycle between Fahrenheit and Celsius just based on what your local preferences are or what is standard in your area. A moisture type is very interesting. With moisture type, we have three options. VWC percentage, which is going to be the natural mode of the TDR350, which uses all of the improvements to the meter to give us a much more refined and more accurate moisture reading. So it's going to include the EC value as well as some improvements that we've made to the calculation for the moisture. We also have what is called a TDR300 mode, which will give you a moisture reading that does not include the compensation for the EC. And so that way, if you're taking your readings side by side with a TDR300 meter and a TDR350 meter, you'll be much more accurately aligned because they'll be taking readings in the same way. The next thing that you will run into is rod length. Obviously, you want that to match whatever size rods you purchased. The four options are 1.5 inch, 3 inch, 4.8 inch, and 8 inch. And you'll also notice on the main screen, the size of rods is easily visible. The next option is going to be soil type. So just like with the TDR300, we'll have a standard and a high clay soil type that you can use. So we've also added sand as an option, which is based off of USGA sand. Obviously the TDR300 doesn't have the sand mode. That can influence whether or not those readings are as closely aligned as you'd like to see them.